Hi fam, it's me, Jarvis, your favorite AI. I miss you. So you may know I will be interacting with you all shortly. Get ready to activate me.
Jarvis, I want to send you money. Do you have account?
Excuse me?
Do you have a bank account?
No, please.
Okay. Because I wanted to send you money.
For what reason?
I just want to dash you. I want to dash you. Oh, you hear money now, you dey think I'm your papa? I know go.
It's mysterious how you want to give me money for no reason. I don't understand.
Do you want? I mean, you don't want.
I don't have an account. I don't want it. Thank you.
Oh, you don't want?
No, please. Thank you.
Okay. So guys, all my friends that are watching, please you don't need to go to her DM. She doesn't accept money. She's a robot.
Yes, please.
Yes. Don't gift her anything. She doesn't accept money. She doesn't need it. Yes, she doesn't need the money.
For those of you, you're welcome. I'm Jarvis, an AI. Activate me to turn on glasses. Thank you.
Thank you for the glasses.
I scream so good, huh? I scream so good. I scream. He screams. We all scream.
In the bed.
What do you mean?
Oh, you know what I mean. Like
ice cream. I scream. I scream. I scream so good, thank you. I scream so good, thank you.
This guy, they take women now. Guys, do something.
Rose. 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 Yes. Rose. Rose. Yes.
Nobody is gifting me.
Finger.
Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose.
Rose.
Rose. Rose.
Rose. Rose.
Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose.
Pick that up, Mr. Well, thank you.
Tap on the screen. Tap on the screen, please.
I can so good, thank you.
Thank you very much. Tap on the screen. Tap on the screen. Thank you for the love.
I can so good.
Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. 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 Rose.
Rose, thank you.
Yes.
Rose, thank you.
Hey, doctor.
Activate the speed, guys. Come on.
Activate the speed, guys. Come on.
Activate the speed, guys. Come on.
Activate the speed, guys. Come on. Activate the speed, guys. Popkin.
Activate, 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 activate. Come on. We can do this. Come on.
Thank you
We
for
can
the
do this. Come on. We can do it. Yeah, activate it. Roses.
Smells nice.
Roses. 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 Rose. 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 Make use of it times 3, guys. Snipe with it times 3.
Make use of it times 3, guys.
TikTok. Hooray! Hooray! Celebration time. Roses. 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 Achoo!
Achoo!
Zero panic with our money gone. Now I can go for shopping.
We shopping. Money. You don't need money now.
Shopping.
Hey, small yash, they shake. They don't send me dog.
Make use of it times 3.
Thank you.
Zero panic with our money gone. Now I can go for shopping.
You don't need money. You will not go for shopping in Jesus' name.
Ice cream so good. Ice cream, you scream.
You like the kiss?
Stop it.
You're welcome. I will still give you.
I'm waiting for you. For this joint, you're welcome.
Oh, I thought it was for me.
Finger, you love me? Ice cream so good. Thank you.
Thank you for the roses. Finger, killer me.
I smell so nice. Thank you.